What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. I don't know, it's a girl Sandy signing in for Bones. Big up on yourself, everybody who has support the channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so anytime I upload, you get notified. So, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, do we get catching us some more mess again? And you can see, and a clickbait. I want to know just what the video and hear what Queenie have to say about it. But obviously some girl are trying to leak some video and some one other thing about she and Dewey. So you have to just stay tuned to watch the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell. Yeah, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below. So let's get into it, guys. I could hear what the Queen have to say about it, because I don't know already how she stay.
I see because you want to mash up me and do it because from in a March out. When me and do it come from Jamaica the first time, when him run it the first time, you get the cock him. Fair enough, it's a power, girl power, me a shower. Uno can blood flat me. I am the queen, 1 for 5, yes. Me not make that on the stress. Take off my jacket, my heart, draft this. Queenie! You're not balling to any cow. Queenie, you're not balling to you're depressed. Queenie, you're not going to say shame. No, me not shaming. Me assure. Girl, you need to crown me. You owe me, Queenie, to send for my husband. And me and my husband are argue. And him come spend 4 days with you. And then because him not moving with them things them. You send him a train number, I'm take your text. I have it long time, girl, but I never see the video. Can't do it, never want to give me video. Do it, say video disappear. But me tell do it, say do it, baby, so very crazy and do it. Enough girl goes before my husband. Just the way I'm going. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it. One man to me goodie. That's the way. When my can't share me a blood, and no one dog gonna catch him up. One girl, him in her neck, I tell her, I say, me left Queenie for you, know. Me no want blood Queenie, but girl, you're an idiot. Because man tell you nice things, sweet lies. And you feel in your head and say, move your cloth, you want the queen. But you feel like say you can't overthrow the queen. You can't overthrow me because a whole pound get. And I'm telling you the difference when I don't understand in life. You see, DEWEY is my husband and I'm his wife. He have a bond with me and I'm his life. We have ups and downs and obstacles, the good, the bad and the indifferent. And you see me can't take losing. Me, nah, give my husband for none of blood, you know. It's not one donkey neck gonna see my kiss up. And I never see me one giraffe a kiss up her neck. And I never see me one clad caterpillar, cause enough on a caterpillar. Girl, use what? Declare yourself, little girl. When see me, I lick out the bit of something out of my ears and say, Queen, you're nicer, Atty. When you see me, I West Green with all my molly arm, you sniff out, little girl. And you are overthrow all foot. Yeah, idiot? Little girl, understand yourself. And don't think you can come in a married life and 9-year crosses are going to pay you just to take my husband. And you see the video with your throat? It's another 9 years. 2 9s, 18. Girl, me hate your behavior. I don't hate you. Just your behavior. You've been sending to my husband because he came and give you a little dugo from March. And I think when him run him give a little more again when him didn't want him here though. That's what I think. Because one little whistling bird whistle to me and say, la 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 loo la loo. So to my countries, I don't mean I saw now comment on a class me. Eh?
You say your friend Pitney taking your man?
No, my friend Pitney?
No, that's good.
Me not even repeat what them I said. Them chat so much shit. Don't mind them. At a party I go on right here. So why my life freeze and me not see me comment them?
Queenie, slide your screen down the side.
Girl, right now the way I'm add for my husband, me just tell him say hug me to pussy cloud that trim. But me say do it hug me. The way you go, they go the wrong. It's not me do it. But it's because I'm frightened over the marriage and say for better or for worse. And it's not a blood cleaner either. Kiss up.
You got Nicki Minaj in there, you know?
Where?
Nicki Minaj is in your life.
Listen, it's not a hyena. Dewey is a woman. I'm a girl blood power. And so because I'm a girl power, are you for know yourself? Because you see them girl here, them just want to see the cool here and want to taste of the fucking flavor. You go create your own. You build a house for Rastan and build my own on the grass. Grassroots, very strong. And you have to take losing in life. So girl, when me see the video a while ago, I just called Dewey out there a while ago. I trim so. And I just said, Dewey come hug me. Because guess what, me hear about the video long time, you know, but them says, why the power girl? After when me got through 1 month ago with my husband, you think that could have shaped blood clot? One of them want to put me in the rubbish pan, yeah? I did not go in the rubbish pan, yeah? I was so fucking fine, my husband. Yes, if I realize say somebody with me know in my husband name, I say, in my husband ears, I say, Queenie, old man. Her baby father never married to her. I should give him 5 pitney. Queenie done out. Queenie send out her put ugly and awful and them class. I'm just Queenie and say, that girl Queenie means that girl never. Don't forget fuck. Move on of cold blood kitchuck.